Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we have a visitor. I have bought the carpet for the living room in here so I can get rid of this space lab. It's really shiny but and hopefully well insulated too. This carpet is 4 meters wide and it should be 7 meters long. I sure hope that's good, otherwise I will have wasted a lot of money. Of course I measured it. I do hope I measured right. And I had to cut that thing out because I'm not gonna bring the carpet over to the wood stove. But yeah, I am gonna be unwrapping that. I already removed the tape and realized, well, I better record this. Somebody might be interested. So let's unwrap, see if I can yeah, this is perfect. It goes that way and I can go roll it that way. And PlayHouse supplies some really nice plastic here. So how do I do that? That's gonna be a task. It's too wide. I have to cut a lot off on each side. Okay, let's see the carpet. I guess you are wondering what I got. This is what it looks like. It's not low, it's between light and dark, I guess. They had this in a darker version as well, where it was more black than it was gray. I got the light version so that it wouldn't stand out as much to the rest of the room. But yeah, that is what it looks like. And I'll keep doing this. See if I can. I'm sure this was very disorganized. That's because of this glue. I have to move you. We're just about there. I think it's good. I think there is enough length here. Okay, I have measured so that it goes 10 centimeters up the wall here, because I need that over here where it's gonna go underneath the door here. And I've measured down here that the same 10 centimeters is also there, so it should be kind of straight now. So I'm ready to do the first cut for this pipe. Phew, I'm out of breath. This is a lot of work, moving this around and standing on it. So when I have that corner in place, I hope that's good. Yeah. I have a little bit of wiggle room because I don't really need all of 10 centimeters here. Only need 8 or something like that. So yeah, it should be okay. So I'm just gonna make a one cut and check so that it falls down and see if it's good. So I got myself a new knife for this. I asked the very nice lady at the store who was helping me cut
cut this piece out on their big machine, which knife, how to cut this, and she said that I should just get a really big knife. So this is my really big knife. It's probably not that big, but how do you? There should be, oh, there's a blade there, but there should be a thingy down here for more. Oh, there's a release thing there. That's probably, yeah, okay. So there is room for more blades inside of the knife. And it comes with 3 blades and 1 in the chamber. So I'm gonna cut that out. Oh yeah, a $500 carpet here. So it is also a bit of money that I get to waste here if I break it or do something really stupid. So we're just gonna, it's just a fitting cut. I will get back to it and okay, I need to push the carpet ever so slightly that way. I don't, that's not that great. Okay. So yeah, I do it like this and I kick it while jumping. Let's see if that did anything. No, I didn't do it enough. Yeah. You get a better view from here, I guess. Off my big butt. It's just a little bit. Yeah, it did something. Yeah, it's good now. That will do it. I'm expecting that it will fall into place. Oh, I'm hoping. Otherwise, I might need to give it a few nails or some tape here and there. So, moving over to this thingy here. Okay, I hate this part. Cutting the edges. I'm so afraid of doing a bad job and cutting too much off. So I have this bottle here to press it down into the corner, and yeah, I will have to cut it to see if this works. Yeah, that's probably okay. Hate this. It's so much money. $500. But this is not bad, but you only have to do it wrong once and you will hate yourself. So, oh, we need a little bit in the corner there. Okay. That's not bad. That could be a lot worth. And there's even a belt. Who would have thought? Okay, I am cutting the rock all the way around, or the carpet. I don't know what you call that. I've gotten to up there. Some of this, there are tiny mistakes here and there, but we are talking millimeters, and I think we can fix it by kicking it, and there is still something to go around. So I am gonna be doing all of this over here now. Probably taking this strip out first, but I need to remove a big square right there. So, but it's not taking as long as I was afraid of, so I'll be done in half an hour or something.
That's cool. Okay, I'm done for today, that's for sure. Cut the carpet all the way around. I need to do some adjustments here and there. Need to cut a bit more right there because it's making that. And I do expect that it will fall in place better. And the door opens. It's kind of a good thing. So yeah, I think it looks really good. There is still, well, there is some adjustments that needs to be done. I think I will need to put some tape underneath it somewhere at the door openings where it will see a lot of usage. Maybe cut that corner as well. Yeah, but I'm happy with it so far. It needs a little bit of adjustment here and there, but it's millimeters, so yeah. Oh, leftovers. This probably just waste. I don't think I have anywhere where that would look great. So yeah, cool. Okay, it seems that I forgot to do an ending for this video, so you get to see a bit more, because now I've actually moved stuff in here. I haven't adjusted the carpet yet, cutting off extra stuff, because I do expect that it will fall into place more places before I really have to do anything about it. But yeah, we could just see it before we end this. So of course the wood stove, nothing has happened there, but I've moved my computer in here, there, and I have this triangle thing here. I just spray painted that today and it needs another layer at least. I gave it 3 times, but yeah, covering up that dark wood wasn't easy, so and that needs some more spray paint. I need to go buy some. So yeah, computer moved in here, lamp, some power, been doing some electric things. Couch has moved in here, and that's because the TV also moved in here. So I have been laying here comfortably watching YouTube videos and TV. So that's awesome. So the plan is to well, move this room, empty that out, and move in here, and then start the work on that room. That's not prioritized as much. I also started a sleeping loft on the 2nd floor, or what you call it up there. And it's more important to get that sleeping loft into a state where I can actually sleep up there, because at that point my temporary bedroom is in here. So at that point I can empty out the whole room, and I can demolish, take the ceiling down and start on the floors and the walls and everything. So I want to do that, but I have to do it in the right order. So, but you're definitely gonna see that, because I will be sure to film it. So thank you very much for watching these DIY home improvement videos that I'm doing, because yeah, I need to get something done here. And it's really awesome that you want to follow that. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. And have a really nice day. Bye bye.